The trial of a convicted rapist and murderer Thabo Bester has faced another setback, with proceedings now postponed until July 21. According to National Prosecuting Authority spokesperson Mojalefa Senokotsane, the state is prepared to continue with the case, but the defense has cited pending judgments as the reason for the delay. The NPA spokesperson said the first is the judgment in the Makudumane matter in the Supreme Court of Appeal, and the second is the Thabo Bester matter in the High Court, where we still need to argue his application. Dr. Nandipa Makudumana, Bester's lover and co-accused, has been challenging her extradition from Tanzania, where she and Bester were apprehended in April 2023 after fleeing South Africa. Makudumana filed an appeal with the Supreme Court of Appeal contesting what she described as disguised extradition. In June, the Free State High Court ruled that Makudumana had willingly consented to return to South Africa, reportedly telling authorities she wanted to be reunited with her children. Despite this, she maintains that her arrest and return were unlawful. Bester's dramatic escape from prison, which implicated several correctional officials and Makudumana's father, made national headlines. Initially sentenced to life imprisonment in August 2012, Bester was convicted for the brutal murder of his girlfriend, model, and car saleswoman Nomfundo Tulu, whom he stabbed to death at a Cape Town bed and breakfast. The delays in Bester's case highlights ongoing legal complexities and high-profile nature of one of South Africa's most notorious criminal cases. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.